Hello children, open ANVT textbook, lesson number 21, Let's Save Water. From this lesson, students will understand the need of water and the difficulties faced by scarcity of water and will be able to describe each. Water is life. How much ever the world develops or conducts experiments, but we cannot make water. So, saving water is the only option for us. Right from the minute we wake up until we go to bed, we need water at every moment. Let us take the initiative to stop water from being wasted whenever we see it happening. People's condition becomes very pitiable due to scarcity of water. In the desert of Rajasthan or in many regions of Saurashtra, people need to go very far for 1 or 2 pots of water. When people do not get enough water to drink, they suffer from various diseases. If water becomes less in a person's body, he or she may faint. Sometimes they have to go without a bath for a whole week. When government water supply arrives, there are fights for it in which many people's pots break. Many times people even beat each other. Thus, people have to face many difficulties due to scarcity of water. Some people collect rainwater by a special method by making a tank, which is a deep pit made underground to collect water. To build a tank, a deep pit is dug in the courtyard and it is made pakka with cement. The tank is kept covered with a lid. The roof of the house is made sloping so that the rainwater collected here flows through the pipe into tank. A sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe so that no dirt goes into the tank. This water is used for drinking after it is cleaned. We should take the following steps to save water in the house. Repair leaking taps. Close the tap while brushing. We should take just as much as water we want to drink in a glass so that we do not need to throw away any leftover water. While bathing, we should first fill the bucket. Then we should close the tap and have bath. We should use just as much as water as needed while washing clothes and utensils. We should keep taps running only for as much as time needed. We should close the tap while brushing and shaving. Instead of throwing away water left over after washing vegetables and fruits and the wastewater of purifier, we should water the plant with it. That water can also be used to mop the floor. Look at the pictures given below. Can we reuse water which we have used in one work for other work? The first picture shows a woman who has to go long distance to get water. It is clear that water is very scarce. The second picture shows the woman sitting on a charpai and bathing. There is a large vessel under charpai in which the bathing water collects. In this way, due to scarcity of water, water used for one thing can be used for something else. The third picture shows the woman giving a bath to her pet cow with the bathing water that was collected in the large vessel. She is doing this work in a garden so that plants get the water that falls on the ground. Thus, the above picture shows that water used for one purpose can be used for some other work. We can save water in this way. Let us take another example of the same thing. Instead of throwing away the water that we use for washing vegetables and fruits, we should water the plants around us, or that water can be used to mop the floor. Thus, water used for one purpose can easily be used for some other work. What does source of water mean? The place from where we obtain water is known as a source of water. Which is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water. Which are sources of water? Sources of water are rain, wells, bore wells, rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. From where do we get water for drinking? We get water for drinking from wells, bore wells, lakes, or rivers. What is done to make dirty water usable? A piece of alum is immersed in dirty water. This makes all the dirt settle down at the bottom. The water on top is carefully strained and taken in another pot. This water can now be used. What is added to well water in village to make it germ free? To make well water in village germ free, potassium is added to it. Why do plants dry up in gardens? If it does not rain and plants in gardens do not get enough water, they dry up. If there is no rain, what is the effect on farming? If there is no rain, no grains, pulses, vegetables, etc. can grow in fields. Where is water used? Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, watering the garden, and in forest. It is also used for agriculture, constructing buildings, producing electricity and steam, as well as in all small and large scale industries. Today, many countries of the world are facing acute scarcity of water. In our state Gujarat, regions of Saurashtra and the desert area of Kutch, there is scarcity of water. If everyone got water, a lot of sorrows will be eliminated from the world. The problem wherein many human beings as well as other living creatures are in despair due to water scarcity will be solved. If everyone gets water, all the creatures on earth will get a new lease of life. However, along with all this, we must remember to continue saving water and grow more trees in order to save the environment, because if we save water, water will save us. Thank you.